Hi, I'm Amit. I'm from Exxon. As you all, some of you might know that I've been in IT for almost 20 to 23 years. Purpose of me doing this clip is I thought it's about time. I should do a weekly video to bring you practical technology tips, no hype, no BS, just solutions that actually work. I think it's about time because there's so much of influencers, there's so much of ads that is misleading the public. So if you like what I'm doing, uh, please follow me. Yeah. Okay, today my topic is about AI chatbots. Why? It's so common. It seems that everyone is using it. Almost. Some are paid, some are free. Can be ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, you name it. That's perfect. But my question is, are you using it like a Google or like a search tool to create images or research tool? It can do far more, guys. It can do a lot more. Today, I'm just going to give you a quick example, a quick peek of what a simple tweak can do. You don't need to be an IT expert to do it. You just need to understand the basics, extreme basics. So today's topic is about creating your very own personal assistant. Some call it executive secretary. But trust me, guys, I've been in business for 22 years. I've gone through many admin assistants, my secretaries. There's no way you can't measure what the AI secretary can do. You can't measure it. Let me put that to the test. Yeah. For me, I'm using ChatGPT, not because I prefer ChatGPT. To me, most of the LLMs are the same. It depends on your preference and how you program over the period of time. And today's example is about my PA, which I created. I call it, I name him as Rico. Rico, a male in the mid 30s, and I gave him some education. Just talk to him. I spoke to him what I do and what's my scope, and I gave him access to my emails. Of course, you can give certain level of access. No, don't worry about security. It all depending on how you program, how you not program, how you educate the knowledge base of the agent. So let me go back to my agent. This is what I'm using. I'm using a mobile phone ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask him certain questions which we normally will ask your secretary. First thing, hi Rico, how is my appointment looking like for today or next week? Can be posted on the upcoming meeting that I have. Only focus on only the meeting and just talk to me. That's it. Uh, Submit the request. Give him a minute or so. He'll analyze, go through. As I said, he follows your instruction. Keep the clear instructions, and he'll figure out and let's see his reply.
Amit. Today, Saturday, you have no meetings. Your next meeting is Monday, 17th August, 10 to 11 a.m. Kids First AI website discussion. That's your next confirmed meeting.
Okay, it's good. So first, second thing I want to ask him is, Rico, can you please confirm if the client has confirmed the meeting schedule or have you sent the Google Meet Zoom link? If you have not done so, you have to send. Please update me. Just give a few seconds. It's going to assess the information based on your workflow, and let's see his reply.
Amit. Sunil hasn't yet to confirm the proposed 2 p.m. meeting, so no Google Meet or Zoom link has been sent yet. I won't create a meeting link until he confirms the time to avoid scheduling the wrong slot. Once he confirms, I can create the calendar meeting and send the Google Meet.
I got you.
Checked.
Stop it there. I got
Sunil
you.
has not replied yet. Meet. Checked.
Okay, that's it. The next, not only checking, yeah, I can even tell my agent to execute. For example, I told my agent that every hour, please check my incoming emails. If there's an inquiry, this is how you reply. Don't reply robotic. Be human-like. Go through my tone. Go through my pattern so that it sounds more human. So let me do some example. The last example to show you. Can you please send an email to one of my new clients doing, I believe it's called Nisa. Can you shoot her an email to see whether she has completed the video or if she face any issues? If there's any issues, ask her to drop me an email. When you send her an email, please copy me as well. That's it. I submitted the request and wait for the reply. The reply will come automatically in less than few seconds. Yeah? Amazing, isn't it? What a world we are living in now, man. What a world. Okay, then you read it.
I emailed Nizza to check whether she has completed the video and whether she faced any issues. I asked her to email you if she needs help and copied you on the email.
Beautiful. Okay, as I say, guys, if you want to know, if you want to learn how to do it, or if you need some assistance and visual, drop me a note. I'm glad to assist you. My only advice is use AI wisely, use it practically, and make it work for you. And please don't fall for influencers. They know nuts about technology. All they care about is hits, subscribers, and don't fall for scams. There are a lot of scams going on today saying that, hey, why are you using this when I can give you this for fraction of a cost? Nah, something just too good to be true, not true. So, guys, until next week, if you want practical technology advice that really works on real world experience, please follow me. See you next week. Take care.